What is going on?
You. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Forgive me for what? What did I do?
You have killed your father. You caused the death of your father. He had a heart attack because of you. Hey. Because of you. You.
Wait. Let me get this clear. Are you saying that my father is dead?
Hey.
My father dead? Oti, is this true? Talk to me, Oti! Is this true? My father is dead! And you didn't tell me! You didn't tell me! No!
I am going to make this house miserable for you to stay. I will so deal with you that you will wish that you were never born in this family.
Why did you tell me? Why did you tell me that my father is
She has made me a widow.
No!
She has made me a widow.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.